Hello everyone, welcome to the next video on the concept of statements in logic. इसका जो एक्चुअल कंसेप्ट था वो तो मैंने आपको समझा दिया था। अब जो आपने कंसेप्ट समझा उसके पे थोड़े से हम क्वेश्चंस ले लेते हैं। क्वेश्चंस लेंगे तो आपको मालूम पड़ेगा कि आप कंसेप्ट को अप्लाई कर पाते हो कि नहीं। उसी का एक्सटेंशन है। लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ आवर questions and solutions to this. State the first exercise of your textbook. State which of the following sentences are statements. Sentences दिए हैं आपको बताना है कि ये statements है कि नहीं. Justify your answer if it is a statement. अगर ये statement है तो आपको justification भी देना पड़ेगा. Yes तो क्यों, नो तो क्यों. सो मोस्टली इफ इट इज नो उसका जस्टिफिकेशन चाहिए हमको कि व्हाई इट इज नॉट अ स्टेटमेंट एंड इफ इट इज अ स्टेटमेंट स्टेट इट्स ट्रुथ वैल्यू. क्वेश्चन में लिखा है राइट डाउन इट्स ट्रुथ वैल्यू. तो लेट अस टेक द फर्स्ट वन. अ ट्राइंगल हैज n साइड्स. क्या आपको n की वैल्यू दी है? नहीं. तो इफ यू रिमेंबर अगर n की वैल्यू 1 है तो क्या बन जाएगा ये स्टेटमेंट? फॉल्स. n की वैल्यू 2 है तो फॉल्स. n की वैल्यू 3 है ट्रू. n की वैल्यू 4 है फॉल्स. सो डिपेंडिंग ऑन द वैल्यू ऑफ n इट विल टेक द ट्रूथ वैल्यू ट्रू और फॉल्स. सो व्हेन n की वैल्यू नहीं दी है कौन सा सेंटेंस हुआ? ओपन सेंटेंस हुआ. इफ रिमेंबर मैंने आपको बताया थे 4 टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस है जिसको हम स्टेटमेंट इन लॉजिक नहीं बोलेंगे. कौन से याद करो? क्वेश्चन मार्क वाले मतलब इंटरोगेटिव, exclamation mark वाले exclamatory, then imperative sentence order किया किसी को, request किया किसी को, and the last one open sentences which can be true and false both simultaneously. ये जैसे ये sentence it can be true, it can be false. So let us take this example. A triangle has n sides. It is not a statement in logic. It is an open sentence. Justification दे दिया why it is not a statement in logic. It is not a statement in logic. It is an open sentence. So when it is not a statement in logic, there is no question of truth value. Why do we say truth value? Because it is not a statement. And justification, it is an open sentence. अब हम आगे बढ़ते हैं. Second one. Question ऊपर वाला तो main question तो remains the same. State which of the following sentences are statements. State which of the following sentences are statements. Justify your answer and write down its truth value. The sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Now this is very specific. Triangle उसके अंदर interior angles कितने होते हैं? 3. तीनों का total कितना होता है? 180 degree. Is it a declarative sentence? Yes, it is giving you information about the angles of the triangle. So first of all, it is a declarative sentence. It is a statement in logic because you can decide the truth value. The truth value is true. So here I write T. What does T mean? The truth value of this statement is true. जब मैंने truth value assign किया मतलब it is a statement in logic. So आप इसमें आंसर में कैसे लिखोगे? It is a statement in logic and its truth value is T. That's it. T लिखा मतलब true. Next. You are amazing. Exclamation mark. Yes. As soon as you come across the word exclamation mark, इसका मतलब क्या होता है बच्चा लोग? It is not a statement in logic. I have put a cross over there. What does this indicate? It is not a statement in logic, so no truth value. Why the truth value? It will never come. Under root minus 4 is an irrational number. Now when I talk about under root minus 4, negative sign root के अंदर, this is only for imaginary and complex numbers. It is never for real numbers. So हमारा सेंटेंस है अंडर रूट -4 is an irrational number is a real number. रियल नंबर में स्क्वायर रूट के अंदर नेगेटिव साइन नहीं आ सकते। लेकिन ये डेक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंस है क्योंकि इट इज नॉट एंडिंग इन क्वेश्चन मार्क, इट इज नॉट एंडिंग इन एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क, इट इज नॉट एन ऑर्डरिंग स्टेटमेंट और अ रिक्वेस्ट स्टेटमेंट, इट इज नॉट एन ओपन सेंटेंस। यू कैन टेल मी द ट्रूथ वैल्यू। So under root -4 is a complex number or an imaginary number. So that is a true statement. So this is a false statement. It is declared. It is a statement in logic, but it is a false statement. Please grant me a loan. Now I am going for the third one. Please grant me a loan. Please word आया. So you're requesting. अभी ये स्टेटमेंट को कैसे आप डिसाइड करोगे ट्रूथ या ट्रू है या फॉल्स है? नो ट्रूथ वैल्यू because it is an imperative sentence. So it is not a statement in logic. Definitely not a statement in logic. X square minus 6x plus 8 is equal to 0 implies x is equal to -4 or x is equal to -2. Let's check. x square minus 6x plus 8 is equal to 0. x का वैल्यू -4 सब्स्टिट्यूट करो LHS पे। -4 का स्क्वायर, फर्स्ट टर्म इज एक्स स्क्वायर, उसमें -4 सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, -4 का स्क्वायर क्या आएगा? 16। फिर -6 इंटू -4 दैट इज 24। तो 16 प्लस 24 होगा बिकॉज -6 इंटू -4 गिव यू प्लस 24। सो 16 प्लस 24 विल गिव यू 40 प्लस 8 48। हाउ कैन 48 बी इक्वल टू 0? सो x इज इक्वल टू -4 उसको सेटिस्फाई नहीं करता। So x is equal to -4 is the wrong value of x. Same way -2 substitute करो, -2 का स्क्वायर 4, -6 इंटू -2 क्या आएगा? -6 इंटू -2। एक का कैलकुलेशन दिखाता हूं मैं। -2 स्क्वायर -6 इंटू -2 प्लस 8। दिस इज योर LHS. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द सिक्स्थ सेंटेंस। -2 का स्क्वायर 4, -6 into -2 is plus 12 plus 8. What is 4 plus 12? 16. 16 plus 8 is 24, which is not equal to 0. अभी this is not equal to 0. So even x is equal to -2 does not satisfy. So ये दोनों ही values satisfy नहीं कर रही हैं. So it is false. It is definitely a statement in logic, but it is a false statement. Now we come to the crossed statements. That is the third and the fourth. Why it is not a statement in logic? Because it is an exclamatory sentence. Please grant me a loan. Why it is not a statement in logic? Because it is an imperative sentence. So very simple, everyone. Correct? It is such a simple thing. Now we move to the next. Okay. Seventh one, he is an actor. Now, how will you decide whether it is true or false? It can be true for someone, he can be false for someone, provided we know who he is. So it cannot decide. It's an open sentence. He कौन है वो नहीं मालूम, और actor वो actor है नहीं है वो भी हमको नहीं मालूम. So it is not a statement in logic because it is an open sentence. Did you eat lunch yet? अभी ये क्वेश्चन मार्क देख के ही बता दोगे आप, मुझे तो मालूम है भाई आप लोग अभी क्या है, पहला वाला वीडियो देख के फिर मेरी जरूरत नहीं है सेकंड वीडियो में एक्चुअली, है ना? हैव अ कप ऑफ कैपेचिनो, किसी को तुम बोल रहे हो हैव अ कप ऑफ कैपेचिनो, सो यू आर आस्किंग दैट पर्सन टू डू दैट. सो इसमें यस और नो की क्या बात हुई? इंपेरेटिव सेंटेंस हुआ भाई. इट इज नॉट अ स्टेटमेंट इन लॉजिक. x plus y the whole square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square for all x and y belonging to real numbers. This is 100% an identity. ये identity है mathematical. So mathematical identities are statements in logic. Always remember. It's an identity, and definitely for all x and y belonging to real numbers, x plus y the whole square is x square plus 2xy plus y square. ये तो फॉर्मूला है, आपको सबको मालूम है. So it is a statement in logic and its truth value is t. That is true. Every real number is a complex number. Sorry. Remember, real number is only made up of two numbers. one is rational and other is irrational. तो complex कहाँ आया? So real number is only made up of rational and irrational. तो complex आने वाला ही नहीं है. Therefore, it is definitely not. It is a statement in logic, but its truth value is false. What is the truth value? False. It is a statement in logic, but its truth value is false. I write it again over here. Its truth value is false. Real number में दो ही आता है, rational और irrational. So complex number does not come in real number. It is a declarative sentence. Question mark में end नहीं होता, exclamation में end नहीं होता. It's not an imperative sentence. किसी को order या request नहीं कर रहे हो. So it's an informative sentence. It is definitely a statement in logic, but it is false. Let's proceed. 1 is a prime number. छोटा सा वो 1 का छोटा सा ऊपर का टिप कट गया है. 1 is a prime number. Now it is a declarative sentence, but sorry children. 1 is a prime number. So it is definitely 1 is a prime number is a statement in logic. Why? Because it is giving you information that 1 is a prime number. But हमको मालूम है the least prime number is 2. 1 is neither prime nor composite. Therefore you can say this statement is false, but it is a statement in logic. So इसमें हम false लिखेंगे. It is a statement in logic. With the sunset, the day ends. Of course, yes. The day ends when the sunset takes place. So it is a statement in logic. True. 1 factorial is 0. 1 factorial is 1. You have studied this in permutations and combinations. आपने permutation combination में सीखा है 1 factorial is 1. Even 0 factorial is 1. It is a statement in logic, but the truth value is false. 1 factorial is 1. 3 plus 5 greater than 11. What is 3 plus 5? 8. Is 8 greater than 11? No. It is a statement in logic, but the truth value is false. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 is greater than 11? No. So it is a false statement. The number pi, it is pi. Pi is an irrational number? Yes. Pi is always an irrational number. So it is a statement in logic. True. X square minus y square. What are the factors of a square minus b square? A plus b, a minus b. So same way here, x square minus y square is equal to x plus y, x minus y. It's an identity, and this is true for all values of x and y belonging to real numbers. So it is a statement in logic, true. The number 2 is the only even prime number. I told you the least prime number is 2. That is why पहला statement है ना 1 is a prime number. वो उसको हमने false दे दिया. It is a statement in logic, but its truth value is false because prime numbers start with 2. And 2 is the only prime number which is even, children. Remaining all prime numbers are odd. So इसमें लिखा है number 2 is the only even prime number. True. It is a statement in logic and it is a true statement. The truth value of this statement is true. So very easy, children. Next slide. 2 coplanar lines. Now what are coplanar lines? Lying in the same plane. Can you see this? एक ही plane में. They lie in the same plane. Can you see this? Lying in the same plane. So एक ही plane में जो lie करते हैं उनको coplanar lines बोलते हैं. अभी either जो पहला वाला फिगर मैंने बनाया है उसमें 2 coplanar lines are not intersecting and second वाले 2 coplanar lines are intersecting. So coplanar मतलब दोनों ही फिगर में एक ही लाइन में एक ही प्लेन में लाइंस है. They are lying in the same plane. लेकिन पहले वाले केस में because they are not intersecting they are parallel and second वाले केस में they are intersecting. So 2 coplanar lines are either parallel or intersecting. Sorry children. They are either parallel or intersecting. It is true. Definitely a true statement. Then the number of arrangements of 7 girls in a row for photograph is 7 factorial. Now if there are 7 girls and they have to be arranged, उनका arrangement important है. तो ये last year हमने देखा है 7 girls can be arranged in 7p 7 ways, permutation and combination. 7p 7 ways and that is 7 factorial ways. So definitely answer is true. It is a statement in logic. Give me a compass box. Now what do you mean by give me a compass box? Order दे रहे हो किसी को, मुझे compass box दे दो. So it is not a statement in logic because it is an imperative sentence. Bring the motor car here. भाई तुम order दे रहे हो किसी को, भाई गाड़ी इधर लेके आओ. Sorry, it is an imperative sentence. It is not a statement in logic. It may rain today. It may rain today. आज बारिश हो सकती है. बारिश हुई तो statement is true. बारिश नहीं हुई, statement is false. So it can be true and false both. Right now you cannot decide. It is not a statement in logic. It's an open sentence. If a plus b is less than 7, अभी a और b मिला के 7 से कम है, then a is less than 7 and b is less than 7. 100%. a का वैल्यू और b का वैल्यू 7 से कम ही होना चाहिए, क्योंकि अगर दोनों 7 से ऊपर हो गए या एक 7 से ऊपर हुआ तो जो पहला कंडीशन है इफ a plus b is less than 7, वो कैसे ट्रू होगा? उसको वो कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट करेगा. एग्जाम्पल, अगर मैंने a का वैल्यू 1 लिया, b का वैल्यू 3 लिया, क्या दोनों 7 से कम है? यस. तो 1 plus 3 is 4. Is 4 less than 7? Yes. लेकिन अगर a का वैल्यू 7 से ग्रेटर लिया, से 8, और b का वैल्यू सपोज मैंने 0 लिया, तो 8 plus 0 will give you 8, which is not less than 7. So in both the cases, a and b has to be less than 7, and it is a statement in logic. It is a true statement. Can you speak in English? क्या लगता है आपको? क्या लगता है इसमें? Can you speak in English? Is it a statement in logic? No, it's ending in question mark. So it is an interrogative sentence. It is not a statement in logic. So here, with this we finish exercise 1.1. बोलो कितना easy है? And this will come for 2 marks. So they will give you any 2 sentences. You have to first tell whether it is a statement in logic or not. If it is not a statement in logic, उसका justification दो. And if it is a statement in logic, तो उसका truth value दे दो. True है या false है. So now we finish with this video, and I hope to see you in the next video with the next concept of this chapter, connectives, based on exercise 1.2. So hope enjoying learning e-learning platform. Enjoy this new method of learning, sitting at home at your convenience. Catch me in the next video. Keep watching this space. Thank you everyone. Bye-bye.